The Royal Enfield Bullet 350 holds a legendary status in the world of motorcycles, symbolizing not just power and performance but also a legacy of craftsmanship and design that has endured the test of time. Walking into a luxurious showroom where this iconic machine is displayed is an experience that speaks to the rich history and modern elegance seamlessly blended into one piece of art. The moment the showroom doors glide open, a sense of refinement washes over you. Gleaming surfaces, soft ambient lighting, and the subtle hum of exclusivity set the stage for the centerpiece. Standing proud under carefully arranged spotlights, the Royal Enfield Bullet 350 commands attention. The motorcycle is more than just a vehicle, it is a statement of sophistication and heritage. Every curve, every detail, and every metallic accent of the bike reflects decades of innovation while staying true to its classic design roots. As you approach the display, the polished chrome shimmers under the lights, highlighting the bold yet timeless silhouette that has become synonymous with the Bullet 350. The finely stitched leather seat, the sturdy fuel tank embossed with the Royal Enfield emblem, and the powerful engine hint at the engineering prowess that lies beneath its vintage exterior. On the wall behind the bike, the words, Royal Enfield, stand out in striking, bold letters. This display is not merely decorative but a reminder of the enduring legacy behind the brand. Royal Enfield is a name that evokes passion among motorcycling enthusiasts, representing journeys taken on open roads, rugged terrains, and picturesque landscapes. The luxurious showroom elevates this narrative, framing the Bullet 350 not just as a motorcycle but as a collector's piece that transcends ordinary transportation. Every element of the showroom is designed to draw the eye towards the Bullet 350. The reflective flooring enhances the visual appeal, creating a mirror effect that doubles the presence of the motorcycle in the room. Soft golden lighting highlights the edges and curves of the bike, accentuating its muscular frame and elegant contours. The air is filled with an understated sense of admiration, as visitors take their time walking around the display, soaking in every intricate feature of the machine. The Royal Enfield Bullet 350 has a design philosophy that merges retro aesthetics with contemporary engineering. The thick tires, rugged suspension, and robust frame convey a sense of durability, while the delicate craftsmanship on the fuel tank and handlebar hints at the attention to detail the designers poured into this creation. Each component feels purposeful, from the symmetrical headlights to the minimalist yet highly functional dashboard that offers just enough information without cluttering the rider's experience. This luxurious showroom experience reflects not only the physical allure of the motorcycle but also the brand's ability to cultivate an emotional connection with its audience. It is not unusual for admirers to stand before the bike in quiet reverence, picturing themselves cruising through winding roads or embarking on long-distance adventures. The Bullet 350 carries with it the spirit of freedom, the thrill of exploration, and the satisfaction of owning a piece of history that continues to evolve with the times. As the showroom's ambient music hums in the background, the presence of the Bullet 350 serves as a beacon for both seasoned riders and newcomers alike. Seasoned motorcyclists often recall stories of past rides, associating the Bullet 350 with reliability and resilience. New enthusiasts see it as a stepping stone into the world of premium motorcycles, recognizing that owning a Royal Enfield is not just about the ride but about becoming part of a global community bound by shared values and experiences. While the bike remains the star of the showroom, the surrounding environment plays a crucial role in enhancing its appeal. The sleek glass walls provide an unobstructed view of the Bullet 350 from multiple angles, allowing light to cascade across its surface and highlight different facets as visitors move around the display. Strategically placed mirrors amplify the space, creating an illusion of expansiveness that mirrors the sense of boundless possibilities the motorcycle embodies. In the corner of the showroom, an interactive digital display allows visitors to delve deeper into the history and specifications of the Bullet 350. Touchscreen panels invite enthusiasts to customize their bike virtually, selecting from a range of colors, accessories, and performance upgrades. This fusion of technology and tradition enhances the buying experience, making it not just a transaction but a journey of discovery and personalization. Visitors are also greeted by knowledgeable showroom representatives, passionate about the Royal Enfield brand and eager to share insights about the Bullet 350. Their enthusiasm is infectious, adding a personal touch to the experience. Stories of long rides across challenging terrains, customer testimonials, and tales of global expeditions undertaken on the Bullet 350 create an atmosphere of camaraderie and shared passion. The Bullet 350 itself is a mechanical marvel that balances power with elegance. The signature thumping sound of its engine is instantly recognizable, a rhythmic heartbeat that resonates with riders across the globe. Every start of the engine is a call to adventure, urging the rider to break free from the mundane and embrace the open road. This emotional connection is what makes the Bullet 350 more than just a motorcycle. It becomes a trusted companion, a source of pride, and an extension of the rider's personality. Even in a luxurious showroom setting, the Bullet 350 retains its rugged identity. Its ability to seamlessly transition between urban streets and unpaved paths highlights the versatility that has kept it relevant across generations. The bike's adaptability appeals to a wide range of riders, from city dwellers seeking weekend escapes to adventurers planning cross-country road trips. The showroom itself exudes a sense of exclusivity, carefully curated to reflect the premium nature of the Royal Enfield brand. Comfortable seating areas allow visitors to relax and envision themselves as proud owners, while tastefully placed memorabilia and artifacts celebrate the rich heritage of the Bullet 350. Vintage posters, photographs of expeditions, and limited edition accessories serve as a testament to the enduring allure of the motorcycle. As visitors make their way through the showroom, the Royal Enfield name displayed on the wall acts as a constant reminder of the craftsmanship, innovation, and legacy that define the brand. The Bullet 350 stands not only as a symbol of engineering excellence but as an embodiment of a lifestyle that values adventure, authenticity, and individuality. Leaving the showroom, the image of the Bullet 350 lingers in the mind, a captivating blend of power and grace. The experience is more than just visual, it is emotional, aspirational, and deeply personal. Whether it's the allure of the open road or the satisfaction of owning a piece of motorcycling history, the Royal Enfield Bullet 350 offers something unique to everyone who steps into the luxurious showroom.